Every day, I hope to see something that suggests the Earth disaster cycle isn't about to reset, that this isn't about to happen, that we're wrong, and every day I'm disappointed. The magnetic pole shift is the 12,000 year cycle peak of shorter 6,000 and 1,500 year cycles of major change on Earth. We've compiled all the evidence into one video. It's linked for you below in the description box. It goes over how this isn't just one line of evidence telling the story, but in a unique specimen of science. We have geophysics, the geology, sediment, fossils, paleoclimate data, modern magnetic observations, and more, matching galactic astrophysics, observations of changes throughout the solar system and on nearby stars, the way stars nova, and what we expect from the sun, and why that major solar blast answers other questions from galactic observations to geophysical mysteries, how there are too many indications of the poles shifting now, and how it matches what we're seeing in society, and how they match ancient stories from religious texts and myths. Finally, science and spirit are one. The actions of the populace, the governments, and the richest people all tell the same story as well. The same story told in all those other fields of science. The weaker magnetic field is already impacting the upper atmosphere. We've seen that the ionosphere is disturbed to higher levels, even though sunspots are the same as they were last cycle, and solar flaring is actually a bit lower, something confirmed this morning with the record Doppler impact despite us taking 20 times greater flares in the last couple of decades. This should not be happening. And yesterday, we saw an indication that we are right on track in yet another way. We have gone over many times how the 1,500-year cycle of Dansgaard-Oeschger events is the baseline cycle of the major change, and that we are not only due for it, and for the 12,000-year harmonic, but that the oceanic and atmospheric signals were all there as well. We saw an outstanding paper that solidifies these facts, most importantly, that the weakening of the Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation, the AMOC, combined with higher temperatures for decades before the event, are the key signal it's about to happen. This is exactly what we've seen happening on the Earth, so chalk another one on that list of the same story told across scientific fields, spirituality, culture, and modern observations. Most of science is one line of evidence and then best guess about what it means. That is not what we have here. When everything tells the same story, you need to listen, because the sun and earth won't stop just because your head is in the sand. We have discussed how we need to not only understand the science, but the physical and psychological health aspects of this event, and how important it is to get right in all the right ways. So folks, we are looking into holding a multi-day retreat this September, and this is your chance to tell us what you'd like to see there. Science, prepping, consciousness, healing, and everything on the outer and inner work that needs to be done to prepare for the next age of Earth. Let's hear it in the comment section. What do you want to see if you are going to come? I'll see you in the morning for the daily show. Be safe, everyone.